Welcome to interview.com. I'll be talking about personal HR interview questions. Okay, I'll be just giving you the questions and little bit idea about how to answer and how to be prepared. Tell me about yourself. This will be very important interview question. Even before your interview starts, this will be your first question. You should be prepared to answer. You should not jump from topic to topic. You should start with your school, college studies, then your current projects, sorry, your previous projects, previous company information, and your current projects and current role. Okay, this should be your order. Don't jump. Okay, and then your achievements, then your mistakes that and what are the learnings from your mistakes. Okay, so what has been the greatest disappointment in your life? What are you passionate about? What do people most often criticize about you? When was the last time you were angry? What happened? If you could relive the last 10 years of your life, what would you do differently? If the people who know you were asked you should be hired, what would they say? Do you prefer to work independently or on a team? Few people are good at individual contributor. Few people are team player. They know how to handle team. They work with team. They mingle with the team and get the delivery done on time. So it depends on the individuality. Okay, give some examples of teamwork. More teamwork interview questions will be asked. Okay, what type of work environment do you prefer? So I'm just giving you an idea about what are the questions, expected questions in your personal HR interview, so that you can be prepared and you don't have to think and prepare during the interview. So it'll be like it's not, it doesn't look good if you prepare, if you think during the interview and I try to answer. So you should be prepared and be ready with all the points, and just you have to answer during the interview. You should answer, you should not think, and the flow should be automatic. Okay, so be prepared. Okay, how do you evaluate success? If you know your boss is 100% wrong about something, how do you handle it? Okay, describe a difficult work situation, project, and how you overcame it. Describe a time when your workload was heavy and how you handle it. Okay, so these are the important job interview questions, personal HR interview questions. They are trying to understand what type of person you are. Okay, what you can do, what you cannot do, what is your strength and weakness before they give you the offer letter. So you should be prepared. This video is just to help you to know about these questions. There are some questions which you should prepare. Okay, I'm not giving you the answer. Maybe in future I can give you the best answers you can give to the interviewer, but currently I'm giving only the question so that you can be aware of it and be prepared, and 2 or 3 points, and be diplomatic. Okay, don't be specific, don't blame the previous organization, and don't talk too much about negative about yourself. I get too much of angry. I'm I don't like overworking, something like that. Don't tell too much of negative points to the interviewer. They are trying to analyze you, what type of person you are. Okay, so just keep diplomatic answers. Hope this session was useful to you. Prepare answers. At least try to give 1 point for these questions. Um, for more job interview questions and answers, log on to interview.com, India's top interview guide. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best for your interview. Thank you.